Hi friends, I'm Poppy, and today we'll learn how to play sight words. First, choose a deck of sight words that matches the ability level of each player. Then, place the deck of cards face down in the middle of the table, and each player places a fidget mat in front of them. Players roll the die to determine who goes first. The player with the highest number begins. The first player picks one card from the top of the sight words deck and reads the word out loud. If the player says the word correctly, they can roll the die and pop the number of bubbles that matches the number rolled. Like this, we got 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the player does not say the word correctly, they do not get to pop any bubbles. But watch out for the gremlin card. If you draw this card, you'll have to roll the die and unpop bubbles. And if you got the unicorn card, you get to roll the die twice. The first player to pop all their bubbles and shout unicorn wins the game. Oh, and don't forget to download our learning guide and workbook. This resource, developed over several months by experienced teachers, will support our reading journey. It also includes a weekly word introduction plan based on grade levels. You don't need to play with all the cards at once. Introducing 5 to 10 cards each week until we master them is a great way to help them learn and build confidence. To download the learning guide and workbook, just scan this QR code. And that's it! Ready to learn while playing?